Isn't it
Go!
great? It's so much fun. I want to go again.
Yeah, the track is awesome now, Scott. You could do some serious damage out there.
Except it's
We
We definitely need to build a jump.
it hurts a little more when you fall, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I went down, it was knocked the wind out of me.
Smack your back.
Look at her go.
Oh,
She's saving it. She's saving it. Coming around the bend.
Whiskey's getting tired.
Poor Whiskey.
Cole.
Cole. It's funny getting tired.
Here she goes. Good Bobby.
Boogie. She's funny.
Nice.
That was great.
She's like a pro.